Hi guys, Ralph here. Right, I've just come back from a donation. Now this hasn't been donated, this is my wireless keyboard for me PC in corner there. I've had a bit of moving around again. So, yeah. For a start, this is obviously an update on stuff. Oh yeah, I'm on Retro Man Cave's Discord at the minute, but I just want to go through something. I've got change over here. I've actually managed to mount all my goodies on a different bookshelf, so everything's here. Apart from those, they're part of the donation. But yeah, I quite like that. I quite like displaying these. Quite good. Kettle's up there for just in case. Bog roll. You never know. So yeah, I mean they've got the illusion of movie magic. It's just straight to hand grab and put back. Once I get decent software and stuff like that sorted out, I'll be fine. So basically, I got a donation from a guy on Freegal. So I got four PCs. So they were Pentium 1s or 2s, and apart from the grandstands behind, here they are, taking up room. And a bag of goodies. I've got a Samsung monitor. It's still a thin one, but it's still quite thick, chunky. Built-in speakers. I'm going to see if that will work. If it doesn't, it's going to go in scrap bin. And what's a shame is I thought these might have been better, but it's only got a Intel Celeron processor. The middle one's a Celeron Pentium 4. It doesn't say, so I'm guessing probably the Pentium 4. But it's these computers that are mass produced as a box back in the day, and the interiors are not that much good either. But I'll get them stripped down and see what's what in there. So let's get you back on your mount and right place. That'll do. Right, first off, I'm getting old board out, so I'm not scratching the new one just yet. There's a box with it. Don't need an ID cable. Now for the Xbox is to do what they call it, the hard drive swap, to add 2 hard drives instead of having the disk drive on. You need one of these cables, and I was actually looking at buying one of these, so that's actually for me. That's one thing. Looks like IDE to I'd say that would be for a yeah. Why has it got power on it? For a floppy drive. I don't think I need that. I don't even use a floppy drive anyway. I've been for a long time. Just some blanking plates. Tiny IKEA Allen key. So first lot. Nothing. A 42 speed CD drive with buttons instead of the roller wheel for that. I don't think I can even strip that down for anything either. So it's not looking good so far. Always can't resist a bag of goodies. Yeah, okay. Where the hell is that from? Okay, I'll find out in a minute. Right. So first out of the bag. It's actually sealed in. I think now. Pleb. So original Windows 98 installation disc with instruction and key. Okay, I like that. That's over this pile. So look, more cables. IDE. They got a tiny Bluetooth dongle. You know what? I'm gonna have that because I'd like to be able to do some Bluetooth. I know it's a Bluetooth 2.0, but why not? It's small. I've got some other ones that are too big. Another IDE cable. Oh, be it. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Damn it. It's an 80 cable, 80 strand IDE, but there's only a double connector on that. I might keep it to one side because I've got another Xbox coming. I might chip that one. Put the starter on it. Oh, no. No. Oh, well done. Now that's an 80. And that's what I want. Okay. What the hell? The guy said he was donated this himself. Yeah. MS-DOS book. Are these possibly maybe worth keeping? COE. Put it on a maybe pile. Work Suite. Another one open front side. Work Suite, ridiculous. Right, that's another book. Microsoft Windows, which version? And that is completely sealed in. Okay, on a maybe file. Ah, screws everywhere. Windows 95 installation disk. I know you can get the files online, but it's somewhat different to actually get them like that. Right, another blank for the back, another blank. Right, look at that. Standard USB. It's obsolete, I suppose, but who's a 3? Oh, it's not. Oh, there's Firewire or something. Those could be very wrong. Belkin. Power in. It's a different USB type. No. No. Battery. More connectors. That should be a. Oh, it's a Diddy fan. Ooh. Okay. Wow, I always wanted the packaging for a Bluetooth XP book. Completely. 2. That's been opened, and that one hasn't. But come on, keep that. Another Diddy fan. Let's pour this water. Right, what on God's earth? Oh, it's a very old network card. Nope. Nope. Office 97. Okay, so far this find's not sparkling, shall we say, but look at that. Anodized thumb screws. Wow. Maybe. I like shiny things. Yeah, that's out of the bag. Okay, let's see what else we can find. I'm going to get rid of this. I've got one of them bloody things open. I wonder if I can get one of... No, I think that's too big. I'm just going to use one of these on one of the old graphics cards that I've got in the boxes behind me. But, no. There's no point using something like that as a fan. It just... You'd never run it. You get nothing off it. So I'll just get rid of this lot and back in a second. Right. I got the first PC. They're pretty, them. And I love a roll. Right. Ooh. Okay. Not as bad as I thought in here. Very long motherboard. But we've got graphics card. Yeah. Modem. There's 2 modems, so one would be yeah, network card. That just looks like it's a fan. You can't even see that. There you go. Looks like it's just a fan sucking in and spitting out heat from down there. That should be up here. An extension port with 1 USB on there. The guy did say there was no hard drives in these anyway, so I wouldn't expect somebody who's doing this sort of stuff would actually leave a hard drive on. But what I've just found, oh bugger, and that's another 80 cabled IDE. There are a few of them now. And that's a single one. Oh no, that's another double one. Tell the amount of it's a lot thinner. More quality, more stuff on there. What stuff? Come on. What we'll do is, does that say there's anything titular? No. Right, I'm going to strip all these down. I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Oof, it smells in here for some reason. I was like old person. Strip these down, get back to you, and see what we've managed to get. Right, give me a couple of minutes to get these, well, 20 minutes to get these done. I don't think I'm going to make anything from any of these. They just seem a bit, for want of a better word, junk. I mean, he was going to put them in anyway, so what I'm going to do is just take memory out. I might be able to use that. Nothing much else I can really do with. I mean, that's only a 300 watt power supply, an ATX power supply. So yeah, not really much I can use. Not even the memory's different. What size are they? 128 megabytes. And that's 256. So they're swapping and changing in between each one anyway. So yeah, I'm going to keep one motherboard, I think, because the other ones do seem to be exactly the same. But for some reason, the one I took out has only got 2 memory slots. The rest of them do seem to have got 3. So yeah, it's pretty scary. This even looks like it's been painted, to be honest. So unfortunately, nothing to be done with these at this time. So that's the end of that one. Shame really. Put a couple of these gold screw heads on top of there. Make it look appealing to Scrapman when he comes round in a bit. Made them a little lighter, but I've got a little bit, some cables and the books I'm really happy about. I mean, they can definitely use for the Xboxes. I might even continue doing more Xbox in the future. I mean, that might be too bad anyway. Processor, a lot of memory. Got the back plate for that one. See, it's not even got an onboard LAN, which is a shame really. But these were never meant to go, well, they were meant for the offices, weren't they? I never really thought right then. I never thought something like me when I strip them down. Can that open up to get this off? No. Yeah? No. Don't know. I'll have a tinker with that later on, I think. So, yeah. A little bit of fine, but better for scrap man, to be honest. So, oh, there you are. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Quick strip down a few things, but like, subscribe, follow me, and yeah, you know the routine by now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.